Hello, my name is Shimontu. You are connecting CS105612 explaining my simulated basic switch and router configuration that I've created in Packet Tracer application. So the aim of this experiment is to form the basic switch and router configuration for the given topology and also test the connectivity between all the devices by console and BT wheel time. So we've used a number of commands inside the simulated topology for basic switch and router configuration. Like all of the commands that we've used are listed over here. So this is the topology diagram that we are supposed to simulate or emulate, and this is the topology diagram that I ended up making. So taking a look at the addressing table for the fast internet 0 I've used the IP address for 92.168.20.10, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. The subnet mask is usually by default 255.255.255.255.0. So after setting the fast Ethernet jack as 192.168.2.20.10 for the first router, I set the serial IP address IPv4 address as 192.168.30.10, and so on and so forth. I said for router number 2, uh, I've set it as 192.168.10. Uh, uh, 0.10, and for the serial port I set as 192.168.20.10. Moving on, for each and every one of the PCs, we've set a different IP address. Same goes for the server. We've also, depending on which router or which switch they're connected to, we've also given default gateways for each of the PCs and the servers. So moving on, this is the screenshot of the topology that I created, like I told you guys. So screenshot of configuring IP address for any one PC. So here I've given the screenshot uh, using ipconfig, screenshot of the routing table of any one router. This is the routing table for router 2. Screenshot of successful ping from PC to PC. Here we've pinged from PC2 to 192.1.20.1, which is PC1. So we've pinged from PC1 to PC2. Sorry, from PC2 to PC1. Screenshot of unsuccessful ping from PC to a remote PC. So this is from PC3 to PC2. So here we're using the telnet command to open access between the two routers so that we can ping each other. This is a screenshot of accessing the web server's homepage using the IP address as the web link. Screenshot of all the configurations done router and switch. Here, this is the uh, here we've just taken a screenshot of the router and the switch and the MAC address table. Screenshot of partial validation console. So here we've used the console to uh, validate our password uh, in the console. So this is for my explanation of basic switch and router configuration. Thank you for listening.